Imagine the gentle rhythm of your breath, the steady beat of your heart. These are the familiar whispers of time, the constant hum beneath the surface of your experience. Each second ticks by, a tiny grain of sand falling into the vast hourglass of existence. We measure our lives, our loves, our losses, against this unwavering, seemingly absolute flow. But what if I told you this familiar rhythm, this seemingly immutable pulse, is an illusion? A beautiful, comforting, yet ultimately limited perspective. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Feel the weight of the universe pressing gently upon you. A vast, silent ocean surrounding a single, precious pearl. In this moment, suspended between breaths, between heartbeats, consider the immensity of the cosmos. Think of the swirling nebulae, birthing stars in fiery explosions of creation. Think of the silent dance of galaxies, their gravity weaving intricate patterns across the unimaginable expanse of space. Time, as we perceive it, is but a single note in the grand symphony of the universe. A note played on an instrument tuned to our specific experience, our specific location within this boundless ocean. What if this instrument were to be slightly detuned? What if the very tempo of time were to shift, subtly, imperceptibly, yet profoundly? This is the whisper of relativity, the gentle suggestion that the flow of time is not as constant as it seems. It is a whisper carried on the cosmic wind, a secret shared between the stars and the silent spaces between them. It suggests a universe where the passage of time is not uniform, not absolute, but fluid, relative to the observer, to the very fabric of space-time itself. Picture a river, its current swift in some places, slow and languid in others. Time, in its grand cosmic form, flows like this river, its pace influenced by the gravitational pull of celestial bodies, warped and bent by the immense energies of the universe. This subtle warping, this bending of time, is not some abstract mathematical concept. It's a tangible reality, a reality that shapes the very fabric of existence. Consider this: a single second, measured on Earth, could stretch into an eternity near the event horizon of a black hole. Conversely, a second experienced in the relentless crush of a black hole's gravity could feel like a fleeting instant from our perspective. It's a profound shift in perspective, a humbling realization of our place within the grand cosmic scheme. The journey to understanding this profound reality begins with embracing the mystery. It begins with the quiet contemplation of the cosmos, with allowing ourselves to be swept away by the awe-inspiring immensity of the universe. Let the whispers of time's relativity wash over you, expanding your consciousness, deepening your connection to the infinite. Let the stillness of the cosmos settle within you, and let your own perception of time gently expand, embracing the endless possibilities that lie beyond our everyday understanding. This is but the beginning of our exploration into the longest second imaginable, a second that stretches beyond the bounds of our comprehension, a second that holds the secrets of the universe within its fleeting embrace. And so, our journey continues. The whispers of relativity, those subtle hints at time's malleability, found their voice in the genius of one man, Albert Einstein. A name synonymous with brilliance, with intellectual revolution, Einstein shattered the long-held belief in an absolute universal time, a time that flowed uniformly for all observers, regardless of their location or motion. His theories, particularly his theory of special relativity, unveiled a universe far more intricate, far more wondrous than anyone had ever imagined. Imagine a universe where time is not a constant, an unchanging river flowing at a fixed pace, but rather a river whose currents are shaped by gravity, by velocity, by the very fabric of space-time itself. This was the revolutionary insight that Einstein gifted to the world, an insight that shifted our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Before Einstein, time was viewed as an absolute entity, a backdrop against which the events of the universe played out. A universal clock ticked away the seconds, minutes, and years with unwavering consistency, irrespective of where you were or how fast you were moving. This was the Newtonian view of time, a view that had reigned supreme for centuries. But Einstein's mind, a universe unto itself, saw beyond this simplistic model. He envisioned a universe where time and space were inextricably linked, a single entity known as spacetime. This spacetime, he proposed, was not a passive stage but an active participant in the grand cosmic drama, a fabric that could be stretched, warped, and distorted by gravity and velocity. His special theory of relativity elegantly demonstrated that time is relative, dependent on the observer's frame of reference. Two observers moving relative to each other will experience time differently. The faster one moves, the slower time passes for them relative to the slower observer. This is not a mere illusion. It's a fundamental aspect of the universe's workings, a reality confirmed by countless experiments. Imagine two identical clocks, one stationary on Earth, the other hurtling through space at a significant fraction of the speed of light. Upon their reunion, the clock that traveled at high speed would show less elapsed time than the stationary clock. Time, Einstein revealed, is not a constant, but a variable, its flow dependent on the observer's motion. This revelation, profound in its simplicity, opened up a new era of scientific understanding. It challenged our most fundamental assumptions about the nature of reality, forcing us to reconsider the very foundations of our perception. It paved the way for a deeper understanding of the universe's workings, leading to breakthroughs in fields ranging from cosmology to particle physics. Einstein's legacy is not merely a collection of equations and theories. It's a profound shift in perspective, a reimagining of reality itself. It's a testament to the power of human intellect, the capacity of the human mind to grasp the universe's deepest mysteries and to articulate them in a way that inspires awe and wonder. And as we delve deeper into the mysteries of time dilation, we stand on the shoulders of this giant, his revolutionary insight guiding our exploration of the longest second, a second that stretches beyond the limits of our conventional understanding of time and space. The journey continues. Time, we often assume, marches forward at a steady, unwavering pace. A second is a second, a minute, regardless of where we are or what we are doing. But the universe, in its boundless wisdom, whispers a different story. It tells us that time, far from being a rigid constant, is surprisingly elastic, a pliable entity shaped by the forces of gravity and velocity. This seemingly paradoxical notion, the elastic nature of time, is the essence of time dilation. It's a concept that challenges our everyday experience, a concept that forces us to question our intuitive understanding of the universe. It's a counterintuitive truth that unfolds within the very fabric of space-time. Imagine two individuals perfectly synchronized in their perception of time. One remains on Earth, their existence unfolding at a familiar pace. The other embarks on a journey, traveling at a significant fraction of the speed of light. Upon their reunion, a strange discrepancy emerges. For the traveler, time has moved slower. The traveler has experienced fewer seconds, minutes, and hours than their stationary counterpart. This is time dilation in action. The faster an object moves through space, the slower time passes for that object relative to a stationary observer. This isn't a matter of perception. It's a measurable phenomenon, confirmed by countless experiments. Atomic clocks flown on high-speed jets have demonstrably shown this time difference, a testament to the subtle yet profound influence of velocity on the flow of time. But velocity isn't the only factor that influences time's elastic nature. Gravity plays a crucial role as well. The stronger the gravitational field, the slower time passes. Imagine a clock placed near a massive object, such as a black hole. Time for this clock will slow down relative to a clock situated far away from the gravitational influence. The closer one gets to a black hole, the more pronounced this effect becomes. The gravity of a black hole is so immense that time essentially comes to a standstill at its event horizon, the point of no return. From the perspective of a distant observer, time for an object falling into a black hole appears to slow down and eventually stop altogether. The implications are mind-bending, challenging our very notions of causality and the passage of time. This elastic nature of time, this ability to stretch and compress based on velocity and gravity, is not merely a theoretical curiosity. It's a fundamental aspect of the universe, a consequence of the intricate interplay between space and time, a testament to the universe's profound and often counterintuitive elegance. It's a reminder that our intuitive grasp of reality is often limited, that the universe harbors depths of mystery far beyond our immediate comprehension. As we explore this elastic fabric, we begin to glimpse the true nature of time, its fluidity, its dependence on the very fabric of space-time, and its capacity to stretch into the longest second imaginable. The exploration continues. Imagine space-time as a vast, invisible trampoline, stretching endlessly beneath our feet. Now, picture placing a bowling ball at the center. The bowling ball, representing a massive object, creates a deep indentation, a warping of the trampoline's surface. This curvature represents the distortion of space-time caused by gravity. This curvature isn't just a visual metaphor. It's a fundamental aspect of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Massive objects, like planets and stars, warp the fabric of space-time, creating gravitational fields that affect the flow of time. Now roll a marble across the trampoline. Notice how its path curves as it approaches the bowling ball, drawn inward by the indentation. This illustrates how gravity affects the movement of objects through space-time. But the curvature also affects the passage of time itself. The closer the marble gets to the bowling ball, the slower its movement appears to an observer far away from the bowling ball's influence. This is analogous to gravitational time dilation. The stronger the gravitational field, the deeper the indentation in our trampoline, the slower time passes within that field. Time, in essence, is slowed down by gravity. A clock placed near a massive object will tick slower than a clock situated far away, a difference measurable and demonstrable, confirming this fascinating aspect of our universe. This isn't a matter of perception. It's a fundamental property of space-time itself. Consider the Earth. Our planet's gravity, while not as immense as a black hole's, still subtly affects the flow of time. A clock at sea level will tick slightly slower than a clock at the top of Mount Everest, where the gravitational pull is weaker. The difference is minuscule, imperceptible in our daily lives, yet it's undeniably real, a subtle whisper of the universe's elegant complexity. This phenomenon has significant implications for our understanding of the cosmos. The immense gravitational forces near black holes drastically slow down time, creating regions where time stretches and compresses in ways that defy our everyday intuition. Near these cosmic behemoths, a single second could stretch into what feels like an eternity for a distant observer, a testament to gravity's profound influence on the very fabric of reality. The universe, it seems, is not just a tapestry of space, but a symphony of time, played out on the warped canvas of gravity's influence. And within this symphony, the longest second is always waiting to be discovered, hidden within the depths of gravity's embrace. The journey to understanding continues. Imagine a river flowing serenely across a vast landscape. Its current, a steady, unwavering rhythm, represents the passage of time as we perceive it in our everyday lives. The water flows smoothly, its pace consistent, its journey predictable. This is time in the absence of significant gravitational forces, a gentle, unhurried stream. Now, picture a massive boulder nestled within the riverbed, its presence subtly altering the flow of the water. This boulder represents a celestial body, a planet, a star, or even a black hole, a concentration of immense mass that warps the fabric of space-time. As the river approaches the boulder, its current slows. The water, once flowing freely, now negotiates the gravitational pull of the boulder, its movement constricted, its pace diminished. The closer the water gets to the boulder, the slower it flows, a visual representation of gravitational time dilation. Time, like the river, is not immune to the influence of gravity. Near massive objects, the flow of time itself slows down. It's not that time stops. It simply proceeds at a different rate, a slower rhythm, compared to regions where gravity's influence is less pronounced. This slowing of time is not an illusion. It's a measurable phenomenon, a consequence of the curvature of space-time caused by gravity. The more massive the object, the more pronounced the effect. Near black holes, where gravity's grip is incredibly strong, the river of time virtually stagnates, its flow dramatically reduced. Picture a leaf drifting on the river's surface. As it nears the boulder, its journey slows, mirroring the passage of time for an observer experiencing the stronger gravitational field. To an observer far away, unaffected by the boulder's gravitational pull, the leaf's movement appears even slower. This disparity in the perceived pace of the leaf's journey is akin to the difference in the perceived passage of time for observers at different gravitational potentials. The river metaphor illustrates the elegant simplicity of a complex concept. Gravity doesn't merely attract matter. It bends the very fabric of time itself, slowing its relentless march, creating pockets of temporal distortion where seconds stretch into minutes, minutes into hours, and hours into eons. A silent, majestic ballet of space and time, unfolding across the cosmic stage. It is a profound dance, this interaction of mass and time, and within its rhythm, the longest second waits to be understood. A whisper of eternity held captive by gravity's gentle hand. The mystery unfolds. Now, let us journey to a realm where the very fabric of space-time bends and twists under the immense weight of gravity. The vicinity of a black hole. These cosmic behemoths, remnants of collapsed stars, possess gravitational fields so powerful that they warp time in ways almost unimaginable. Imagine approaching a black hole, a celestial abyss of infinite density. As you draw nearer, a subtle yet profound shift begins to occur. Time, once a steady, unwavering current, starts to slow its pace. Each second stretches, elongates, becoming a temporal expanse far exceeding its counterpart in the tranquil regions of space far removed from the black hole's influence. This extreme time dilation is a direct consequence of the black hole's immense gravity. The closer you get to the event horizon, the point of no return, the more pronounced this effect becomes. Time, for you, slows down dramatically relative to an observer stationed far away, watching from a safe distance. A single second for you, near the event horizon, could stretch into minutes, hours, even years for the distant observer. It's as if you are traversing a temporal chasm, a slow-motion realm where the passage of time bends to the will of gravity's unrelenting force. Picture this. You send a signal, a message, a simple pulse of light to your distant observer. From your perspective, the signal travels instantaneously, a fleeting moment. But for the observer, the signal's arrival is delayed, stretched out across vast spans of time. The message, sent in what felt like an instant to you, takes an eternity to reach the observer, a testament to the black hole's power to distort the very flow of time. This profound distortion is not a mere theoretical construct. It is a prediction of Einstein's theory of relativity, a theory that has been repeatedly confirmed by observations. The black hole's gravity bends space-time so severely that the very concept of a simultaneous present becomes blurred, fragmented, a chaotic tapestry woven from the threads of time's warped reality. As you approach the event horizon, this temporal stretching intensifies. Time, from the perspective of the distant observer, appears to grind to a complete halt. You, however, would experience nothing unusual, your own perception of time remaining unchanged. This cosmic paradox, this profound disparity in temporal perception, highlights the relativity of time, a concept that challenges our intuitive understanding of the universe's fundamental workings. The black hole, a cosmic clockwork of warped time, reveals the universe's astonishing capacity to defy our expectations, to bend the rules of reality, and to unveil the mysteries of time's enigmatic dance. Let us delve deeper into this extraordinary phenomenon, this cosmic ballet of time's distortion. Imagine yourself, a lone voyager, hurtling towards the abyss of a black hole. From your perspective, the descent might feel perfectly ordinary, a natural, if somewhat unsettling, progression. Each moment unfolds as it always has, each heartbeat a familiar rhythm against the backdrop of the infinite. But from the vantage point of a distant observer, a celestial bystander watching from afar, a very different story unfolds. To them, your journey is a slow, agonizing spectacle. As you approach the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape, time for you begins to slow dramatically. What feels like a second to you, a fleeting instant, a blink of an eye, stretches into eons for the distant observer. A single breath you take becomes a cosmic drama, played out across millennia. They see you moving in slow motion, a ghostly figure frozen in time's relentless grip, a marionette whose strings are pulled by the gravity of the black hole. Your movements become languid, drawn out, almost imperceptible, each gesture a protracted performance spanning unimaginable periods. Your descent becomes an eternity in their eyes, a spectacle of stretched time played out across the cosmic stage. The closer you get to the event horizon, the more pronounced this temporal disparity becomes. A second for you could translate into years, centuries, or even millennia for your distant companion. Your final moments, the instant you cross that invisible line, become an unending drama, a never-ending story unfolding in the eyes of those far removed from the black hole's gravitational pull. This stark contrast in the experience of time highlights the subjective nature of its flow. Time is not an absolute, unchanging entity, but a relative concept, intimately intertwined with the fabric of space-time itself. It is warped, stretched, and distorted by gravity, creating a universe of vastly differing temporal perspectives. The longest second, therefore, is not a fixed point in time, but a perception, a subjective experience shaped by the observer's position within the cosmos. What feels like an instant to one might be an eternity to another, a testament to the universe's capacity to bend and shape the very nature of time itself. As you fall into the black hole, you experience your own personal timeline, while the universe outside observes a completely different, infinitely stretched version of your final moments. This profound difference unveils the universe's awe-inspiring complexity and challenges our fundamental understanding of the passage of time, leaving us humbled by the boundless mystery of the cosmos. The experience is intensely personal yet universally significant. Now, let us shift our gaze from the gravitational behemoths of the cosmos to the realm of velocity, another powerful force that bends and shapes the river of time. Imagine a spacecraft, a vessel of dreams, hurtling through the inky blackness of space, pushing the boundaries of speed. As it accelerates, a subtle yet profound transformation begins to occur, a cosmic dance between motion and time. Einstein's theory of special relativity reveals that time is not immune to the effects of velocity. As an object approaches the speed of light, the ultimate cosmic speed limit, time for that object begins to slow down relative to a stationary observer. This is not a mere illusion, but a fundamental aspect of the universe's structure, a consequence of the interwoven fabric of space-time. Picture yourself on board this speeding spacecraft. To you, everything feels perfectly normal. Your heartbeat remains steady. Your thoughts flow freely. Time marches on as it always has. But for someone observing you from a stationary point, a celestial anchor watching your journey, the passage of time is profoundly different. They witness your ship moving at incredible speeds, a blur against the backdrop of the stars. And as your velocity increases, so too does the discrepancy in the experience of time. What feels like a moment to you might stretch into hours, days, even years for the stationary observer. A single breath you take, a fleeting thought that crosses your mind, becomes a protracted event in their perception, a drawn-out spectacle unfolding across a vast expanse of time. This temporal disparity is not a trick of the light or an anomaly of perception, but a direct consequence of the universe's fundamental laws. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you relative to a slower observer. This is not a metaphor. It is a measurable, verifiable phenomenon, a testament to the universe's ability to warp and bend even the most fundamental aspects of our reality. The closer you get to the speed of light, the more extreme this time dilation becomes. At speeds approaching the ultimate limit, time for you would slow down dramatically, effectively stretching out your experience of the universe while the outside world races by at an accelerated pace. The implications of this are profound, challenging our intuitive understanding of time's linearity and opening up a realm of possibilities that were once confined to the realm of science fiction. It invites us to contemplate the subjective nature of time and the myriad ways in which the universe shapes our experience of its passage. The universe, in its boundless creativity, offers us a perspective on time that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. Now, let us contemplate the ultimate cosmic speed limit, the speed of light. A constant, a fundamental pillar of our universe, it's a number etched into the very fabric of reality. approximately 299,792,458 meters per second, a seemingly arbitrary figure, yet it holds within it the key to understanding the profound relationship between time and velocity. This speed, this celestial velocity, is not merely a fast pace. It is an absolute limit. Nothing, according to Einstein's theory of special relativity, can travel faster than light. This isn't a technological constraint, a limitation of our current understanding, but a fundamental law of the cosmos, a boundary that defines the very nature of spacetime. As objects approach this cosmic speed limit, a remarkable transformation unfolds, a bending of time itself. The closer an object gets to light speed, the more dramatically time slows down for that object relative to a stationary observer. This is not a subjective perception, a trick of the mind, but a real, measurable effect, a testament to the universe's surprising capacity to warp our experience of time's passage. Imagine a spacecraft, once again, venturing forth on an impossible journey, pushing relentlessly towards the speed of light. For those on board, time would seem to flow normally, each moment unfolding as expected. But from the perspective of a distant observer, time aboard the spacecraft would appear to slow down significantly. Seconds would stretch into minutes, minutes into hours, and hours into days, creating a vast temporal gulf between the travelers and those left behind. This effect isn't merely a theoretical concept. It has been experimentally verified countless times, demonstrating the profound reality of time dilation. The faster the object travels, the greater the time dilation, the more pronounced the stretching of time. It's as if the universe itself is conspiring to maintain the speed of light as an inviolable boundary, a cosmic speed limit, by slowing down time for anything daring to approach it. The speed of light, therefore, is more than just a number. It is a fundamental constant that governs the very flow of time. It is the cosmic speed limit, an unbreakable rule that shapes our understanding of the universe and our place within it. To approach it is to approach a realm where time itself bends to the will of velocity, where the perception of time becomes a deeply relative and profoundly personal experience. It underscores the dynamic, ever-shifting nature of the universe and our remarkably limited perception of its grand, immutable laws. The speed of light, then, is not merely a physical constant, but a cosmic threshold, a gateway to a deeper understanding of the universe's enigmatic nature. Imagine a starship, a vessel of dreams, embarking on a journey beyond the confines of our solar system. Its destination, a distant star, a celestial beacon shimmering light years away. The crew, brave pioneers of the cosmos, are ready to embrace the unknown, to traverse the vast expanse of space. But this is no ordinary voyage. This is a journey into the heart of time itself. Our intrepid explorers accelerate their vessel to an astonishing speed, a fraction of the speed of light, a velocity previously unimaginable. Time, for them, continues its familiar rhythm, each second ticking by as it always has. They eat, they sleep, they work, they navigate the starry abyss, all within the comfortable confines of their temporal reality. But now let us shift our perspective. Let us look back at Earth, to those left behind, to those who remain tethered to the slower pace of time. From their vantage point, the starship's journey unfolds at a dramatically different tempo. Time, for the travelers, seems to have slowed down, stretched out, elongated like taffy pulled by some unseen cosmic hand. What might seem like a year to the crew, a year of exploration, of discovery, of shared experiences under a canopy of distant stars, might stretch into a decade, a century, or even a millennium for those on Earth. The very fabric of time has been stretched, creating a profound temporal disparity between the travelers and those who remain behind. This is not a mere illusion, but a tangible consequence of the starship's velocity, a manifestation of time's relative nature. This temporal disparity isn't simply a matter of counting years. It is a profound alteration of lived experience. While the crew might celebrate a single birthday, decades might pass for their loved ones on Earth. Generations might come and go, civilizations might rise and fall, all within the span of a single journey for the space travelers. The implications are staggering. A return to Earth after a seemingly short journey could reveal a world transformed, a future vastly different from the one they left behind. The very act of space travel, at speeds approaching that of light, transforms the travelers into time travelers, albeit unwilling ones, their journeys stretching and compressing the fabric of time itself. This profound distortion of time underscores the intricate and often counterintuitive relationship between velocity, gravity, and our perception of the relentless march of time. The universe, it seems, is not a static stage, but a dynamic tapestry, woven with threads of time that stretch and bend to the whims of gravity and speed. Let us now journey into a realm of thought experiments, a place where the mind dances with the cosmos, where the seemingly impossible becomes a window into the deepest mysteries of time. We shall explore the twin paradox, a captivating tale that illuminates the asymmetrical nature of time dilation. Imagine two twins, inseparable from birth, sharing a bond as strong as the celestial tapestry above. One twin, let's call her Astra, embarks on a daring interstellar voyage, traveling at a significant fraction of the speed of light. Her twin sister, Luna, remains on Earth, her life unfolding at the familiar pace of time. As Astra hurtles through the cosmos, time, for her, slows down relative to her sister on Earth. Each second stretches, each moment lingers, a subtle distortion of temporal experience. The stars become her companions, and the vast expanse of space, her canvas. Years may pass for Astra, yet decades may unfold for Luna, back on Earth. When Astra returns from her journey, a profound asymmetry reveals itself. Astra, having experienced time's gentle deceleration, appears younger than her twin sister, who has aged more rapidly on Earth. This seemingly paradoxical outcome is not a violation of natural law, but rather a testament to the relativity of time. The paradox lies in the perceived symmetry of the situation. One might argue that from Astra's perspective, Luna is the one who moved, receding into the distance. Shouldn't Luna then appear younger? The resolution lies in the crucial difference between inertial and non-inertial frames of reference. Luna remains within a relatively stable frame of reference, her motion unchanging throughout the experiment. Astra, however, undergoes acceleration as she departs and returns, breaking the symmetry of the situation. This acceleration, this change in her motion, is the key to resolving the apparent paradox. It is the act of accelerating and decelerating, of changing her velocity, that introduces the asymmetry in time's flow. The twin paradox is not merely a theoretical puzzle, but a profound demonstration of the relativity of time, a testament to the intricate dance between motion and the passage of time. It reminds us that time, far from being an absolute, immutable constant, is a fluid, dynamic entity, shaped and molded by the forces of the universe. It is a concept as vast and mysterious as the cosmos itself, a phenomenon that continues to captivate and challenge our understanding of reality. The passage of time, therefore, is not a universal experience, but a personal journey, unique to each observer's frame of reference within the grand tapestry of space-time. We often perceive time as a universal river, flowing at a constant pace for all. Yet, the universe whispers a different story, a tale of relativity where the very notion of simultaneity dissolves into the fabric of space-time. Consider two events, seemingly occurring at the same instant, a cosmic dance of light and shadow. But from different vantage points, from different velocities, their timing may differ, a subtle shift in the cosmic choreography. Imagine two observers, adrift in the vastness of space, witnessing a celestial event unfold light years away. One observer is stationary, while the other hurtles through space at a fraction of light speed. For the stationary observer, the event may appear to happen at a precise moment. But for the observer in motion, the event's timing might be subtly altered, stretched, or compressed, a consequence of the relative velocity between the observer and the event. This is not a trick of perception, but a fundamental aspect of reality, revealed by Einstein's theory of relativity. Simultaneity, that seemingly solid concept, is not absolute but relative. What appears simultaneous to one observer may not be so to another, depending on their relative motion. This realization shakes the foundations of our intuitive understanding of time, dissolving the rigid framework of a universal clock. The universe, it seems, does not operate on a single synchronized timeline. Instead, each observer carries their own personal clock, their own unique perspective on the flow of time. This doesn't mean that time is arbitrary or chaotic. Rather, it reveals a deeper, more intricate structure, a tapestry woven from the threads of relativity and motion. Consider a cosmic ballet where stars ignite and fade, galaxies collide and merge. Each event is a note in the symphony of the universe, but the timing of each note is relative to the observer's position within this grand cosmic orchestra. A star's birth, its fiery crescendo, may appear simultaneous with a distant galaxy's collapse to one observer, but not to another, hurtling through space at a different velocity. This relativity of simultaneity is not merely a theoretical curiosity. It has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It forces us to reconsider our assumptions about the nature of time, prompting us to embrace a more nuanced, relativistic perspective. The universe unfolds not on a single, rigid timeline, but on a multitude of interwoven narratives, each unique to the observer's perspective within the boundless expanse of space-time. The concept of now, once a seemingly fixed point, becomes a fluid, ephemeral entity, ever shifting with the observer's motion and position within the cosmic dance. It's a profound shift in perspective, a humbling reminder of the universe's vastness and the relative nature of our experience within it. Close your eyes. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, the subtle pulse of life within you. Now imagine a second, a single unit of time stretching and unfolding. Not a constant, unwavering measure, but a malleable entity, shaped by the very fabric of space-time. This is the essence of the longest second, a concept born not from science fiction, but from the profound realities of Einstein's relativity. The second, as we commonly experience it, is a relatively stable measure. But venture into the realm of extreme velocities or intense gravitational fields, and the familiar rhythm of time begins to warp, to bend and stretch. A second spent near a black hole, for instance, might stretch into eons for an observer far removed from its gravitational grasp. Conversely, a second experienced by a spacecraft hurtling through space at near-light speed might feel fleetingly brief to an observer on Earth. This subjective experience of time, this stretching and compressing of the second, is not an illusion. It's a demonstrable reality, a consequence of the interplay between gravity, motion, and the very structure of space-time. It's a testament to the universe's intricate and dynamic nature, a universe where the familiar laws of physics yield to the extraordinary at the extremes of gravity and speed. Imagine yourself as a traveler on a starship, journeying to a distant galaxy. For you, the voyage might feel like a few years, a brief interlude in your life. But to those you left behind on Earth, centuries may have passed, a vast gulf of time separating your return from your departure. The second, the fundamental building block of time, has stretched and elongated for those who remained, while for you, it has remained relatively unchanged. This doesn't mean that time itself is flowing at different rates. Rather, it highlights the relative nature of time's perception. The longest second is not a universal constant, but a subjective experience, dependent on the observer's position within the universe's four-dimensional space-time continuum. It's a poignant reminder that our experience of time is deeply intertwined with our location and motion within the cosmos. The concept of the longest second invites us to contemplate the profound mystery of time itself, its elusive nature, its capacity to bend and stretch under the influence of gravity and velocity. It forces us to question our intuitive notions of simultaneity and temporal constancy, pushing us to embrace a more expansive, relativistic understanding of the universe's intricate workings. It's a journey into the heart of reality, a journey that reveals the universe's beauty and complexity, the breathtaking interplay of forces that shape our perception of time itself. The longest second, therefore, is not just a scientific concept, but a poetic metaphor for the universe's boundless mystery and the relative nature of our existence within it. Let us now delve deeper into the philosophical implications of time's malleability, its capacity to bend and stretch like a cosmic river flowing through the universe. we've seen how time dilation reveals the non-absolute nature of time, a concept that challenges our deeply ingrained notions of a universal, unwavering clock ticking at a constant pace for all. But what does this truly mean for our understanding of reality? Imagine the universe as a vast, shimmering ocean, its currents and tides shaped by the gravitational pull of celestial bodies and the relentless motion of stars and galaxies. Time, in this cosmic ocean, is not a rigid structure, but a fluid element, its flow shaped and molded by the immense forces at play. Near colossal black holes, time slows to a crawl, a viscous syrup compared to the brisk flow of time in the relatively tranquil regions of space. This malleability of time isn't merely a scientific curiosity. It fundamentally alters our perception of the universe's structure and our place within it. The seemingly absolute linear progression of time, so ingrained in our daily experience, dissolves into a relative, subjective reality. The now is not a single, universal moment but a multitude of nows, each unique to a specific observer's position in space-time. Consider the implications. Our perception of time's passage, the very rhythm of our lives, is intricately linked to our position within this dynamic, ever-shifting cosmic dance. A journey near a black hole wouldn't just be a change in location. It would be a journey through time itself, a passage into a realm where the very fabric of temporal experience is profoundly altered. This realization opens up a realm of profound philosophical questions. Does the relative nature of time imply a multiplicity of realities, each experiencing time at its own unique pace? Does our sense of causality, of cause and effect, remain consistent in a universe where time's flow is non-uniform? These questions, born from the contemplation of time's malleability, invite us to explore the very foundations of our understanding of reality. The malleability of time, revealed by Einstein's theory of relativity, is not just a scientific discovery. It's a mystical revelation, a glimpse into a universe far more profound and intricate than our everyday experience suggests. It invites us to step beyond our limited, earthbound perspectives and embrace a more fluid, dynamic, and ultimately, more awe-inspiring view of the universe and our place within its grand, timeless tapestry. The cosmic dance of time, ever-shifting, ever-flowing, is a testament to the universe's boundless wonder and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our current understanding. For centuries, humanity perceived time as an absolute, unwavering entity, a universal constant ticking away at the same pace for everyone, everywhere. This intuitive understanding, woven into the fabric of our daily lives, shaped our perception of reality, influencing our sense of causality, our notions of past, present, and future. But the advent of Einstein's theory of relativity shattered this seemingly unshakable foundation. Time dilation, a direct consequence of relativity, unveils a universe where time's flow is not absolute but relative, dependent on the observer's motion and the gravitational forces at play. Imagine two clocks, perfectly synchronized, one remaining stationary on Earth, the other embarked on a journey through space at near light speed. Upon the traveler's return, a profound discrepancy would emerge. The clock that journeyed through space would show less elapsed time than its earthbound counterpart. This isn't a mere theoretical quirk. It's a verifiable aspect of our universe, a testament to the intricate interplay between space and time, a cosmic dance where the very fabric of reality bends and stretches under the influence of gravity and velocity. The implications are staggering, challenging our deeply ingrained understanding of simultaneity. What appears simultaneous to one observer might unfold sequentially for another, depending on their relative motion. The concept of a universal now, a single moment shared by all observers, dissolves into a multiplicity of nows, each unique to a specific perspective. The longest second, once an unvarying unit of time, becomes a subjective experience, its duration dependent on location and velocity within the vast expanse of space-time. This challenges our intuitive grasp of reality, revealing its fluid, dynamic nature. Consider the implications for our understanding of causality. If the timing of events is relative, does the sequence of cause and effect remain consistent across different frames of reference? The answers to these questions are not readily apparent. forcing us to confront the limitations of our everyday perception of time and the universe. This revelation, however, is not merely a challenge. It is an invitation to expand our understanding of reality, to embrace a more nuanced and awe-inspiring view of the cosmos. It is a call to transcend the limitations of our intuitive grasp of time and to explore the deeper mysteries that lie hidden within the fabric of space-time. The challenge of absolute time's dissolution yields to the wonder of a universe far more complex and beautiful than we could ever have imagined. We experience time as a relentless river, flowing in one direction, from past to future, a linear progression that shapes our lives and defines our understanding of reality. But is this linear perception of time an accurate reflection of the universe's true nature? Or is it merely an illusion, a consequence of our limited perspective? Imagine yourself as a tiny speck, adrift on this river of time, your senses confined to the immediate flow, unable to perceive the broader currents or the vast ocean that surrounds it. This limited perspective, this confinement to a single frame of reference, shapes our perception of time as linear and unidirectional. But what if we could transcend this limitation? Einstein's relativity offers a glimpse beyond this constrained perspective. It reveals a universe where time is not a linear progression but a dimension intertwined with space, forming a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. Within this fabric, time's flow is not absolute but relative, its rate influenced by gravity and velocity. Near massive objects like black holes, time slows, stretching the very fabric of space-time. From the perspective of a distant observer, time near a black hole seems to drag, a second stretching into an eternity. Yet, for an observer near the black hole, time continues at its normal pace, unaware of the relative dilation. This stark contrast highlights the subjective nature of time. Our perception of linear time is thus revealed as a consequence of our limited experience within a specific frame of reference. We are like ants crawling on a vast, curved surface, mistaking its curvature for a straight line. The universe, however, is far more expansive, far more intricate than our limited senses can fully grasp. Time, in its true nature, may be far more fluid, multidimensional, and interconnected than our linear perception suggests. Perhaps, from a higher perspective, beyond our current comprehension, time unfolds not as a straight line but as a complex, interwoven tapestry, a symphony of moments existing simultaneously. This realization transcends the realm of mere scientific understanding. It invites us to contemplate the nature of reality itself. It encourages us to question our assumptions, to embrace the mystery that surrounds us, to seek a deeper, more profound understanding of the universe and our place within it. To embrace the illusion of linearity is to open ourselves to the possibility of a reality far richer and more awe-inspiring than we ever imagined. The illusion itself becomes a gateway to a greater understanding. Imagine time not as a rigid, linear line, but as a vast, meandering river. Its currents, far from being uniform, are shaped by the landscape through which they flow, their pace varying from a gentle trickle to a raging torrent. This river is space-time, and its currents are the flow of time. In the tranquil valleys, where gravity is weak and velocities are low, the river flows smoothly, its passage measured and predictable. Here, our familiar experience of time holds true. Seconds tick by with consistent regularity. But as the river approaches a towering mountain range, a celestial body of immense mass, its flow begins to change. The gravitational pull of this cosmic behemoth acts as a powerful force, warping the river's course. Time, like the river's current, slows down, stretching and compressing as it navigates the gravitational field. A second, once a consistent unit, now becomes a malleable entity, its length determined by its proximity to the gravitational source. Near a black hole, this effect is amplified to an extreme. The river of time plunges into a deep chasm, its flow dramatically slowed, stretched almost to infinity. From a distant vantage point, the river seems to stand still, frozen in time. Yet, within the heart of the chasm, the river continues to flow, oblivious to its relative dilation. This illustrates the nonlinearity of time. It is not a single universal river, but a multitude of currents, each flowing at a different pace, shaped by the gravitational landscape and the velocities of those within its flow. The experience of time, therefore, is not absolute but relative, subjective to the observer's position within spacetime. Consider a raft drifting down this river. A raft traveling at a high velocity moves swiftly, experiencing time more quickly than a raft traveling slowly. The faster the raft's journey, the faster time passes for those aboard. But for a stationary observer on the riverbank, the faster raft seems to experience time more slowly, a consequence of the river's varying currents. The concept of the longest second arises from this variability. It's not a fixed point in time, but a relative experience, dependent on the observer's location within spacetime's ever-changing currents. It's a testament to the fluidity and interconnectedness of time, a reminder that our linear perception is but a limited view of a far more complex and wondrous reality. The river of time continues to flow, its secrets still unfolding before us. The revelation of time dilation, this subtle yet profound warping of time's flow, invites a radical shift in our cosmic perspective. It whispers to us of a universe far grander, more intricate, and more mysterious than our limited senses could ever fully grasp. For centuries, we viewed time as an immutable constant, a universal metronome ticking away at a steady pace. But relativity shattered this simplistic notion, unveiling a cosmos where time itself dances to a far more complex rhythm. Consider the immensity of space, its vastness stretching beyond our comprehension. Now, imagine that the very fabric of time, interwoven with space itself, is equally malleable, stretching and bending under the influence of gravity and motion. This realization expands the boundaries of our understanding, challenging our deeply ingrained assumptions about the nature of reality. The concept of a longest second, a fleeting moment stretched into an eternity near a black hole, forces us to confront the limitations of our human perception. We are accustomed to experiencing time in a linear fashion, a straightforward progression from past to future. But the universe, it seems, does not adhere to this simple narrative. Time, in its cosmic expression, unfolds in a tapestry of interwoven moments, each influenced by the gravitational dance of celestial bodies and the velocity of moving objects. This perspective shift allows us to glimpse the universe not as a static collection of objects, but as a dynamic, interconnected web of energy and information, where time itself is a fluid element, adapting and responding to the conditions of its environment. The universe is not merely vast. It is profoundly complex, a realm of interconnectedness far exceeding our everyday experience. Our planet, our solar system, even our galaxy, become mere specks in this cosmic ocean, each subject to the intricate dance of spacetime. The seemingly absolute laws of physics we've come to understand are revealed to be local expressions of a grander, more fundamental reality, one governed by the dynamic interplay of gravity, motion, and the relative flow of time. This new understanding invites a sense of humility, a recognition of our place within this vast, awe-inspiring cosmos. We are not merely observers, but participants in this cosmic ballet, our existence intricately woven into the fabric of space-time itself. And as we contemplate the longest second, we are reminded of the profound mystery that underpins the universe, a mystery that invites us to explore, to question, and to marvel at the sheer wonder of existence. The universe's secrets unfold before us, and the exploration continues. Imagine the universe as a vast, silent ocean, its depths teeming with untold wonders. Within this ocean, time flows not as a relentless current, but as a gentle tide, its rhythm dictated by the gravitational pull of celestial bodies and the velocity of celestial dance. The concept of time dilation invites us to experience this ocean stillness, to find a profound calm within its boundless expanse. As we contemplate the stretching and compressing of time near massive objects, a sense of peace descends. The frantic pace of our daily lives, the relentless ticking of the clock, fades into the background. Instead, we are enveloped by a timeless serenity, a feeling of being connected to something far greater than ourselves. The longest second, a moment extended near a black hole, becomes a metaphor for this cosmic stillness. It is a moment suspended in time, a space where the frantic energy of our everyday existence melts away, replaced by a profound sense of quietude. In this stillness, we can reconnect with our inner selves, finding a sense of peace and tranquility amidst the chaos of the universe. This cosmic stillness is not an absence of activity, but rather a transcendence of our limited perception of time. It is a state of being where we can perceive the interconnectedness of all things, where the boundaries between past, present, and future dissolve, and where we are simply present, immersed in the vastness of existence. The universe, in its immensity, offers us a refuge from the relentless demands of our daily lives. It invites us to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to find a sense of peace and centeredness within the vastness of space and the fluidity of time. In this stillness, we can find a profound connection to the cosmos, a sense of belonging within the grand design of the universe. This cosmic perspective allows us to perceive time not as a linear progression, but as a multidimensional experience, where past, present, and future are interwoven, interconnected, and ultimately inseparable. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, teaches us to appreciate the present moment, to find peace in the stillness, and to marvel at the beauty of existence, unburdened by the limitations of our human perception of time. Let this stillness envelop you and find peace within the cosmic heart. Gaze into the inky blackness of space, a canvas strewn with diamonds of distant light. Each twinkling star, a sun, a world, perhaps even harboring life unimaginable to our terrestrial minds. The sheer scale of it all, the unfathomable vastness, can evoke a profound sense of awe, a humbling realization of our own insignificance in the grand cosmic scheme. Yet, within this insignificance lies a profound connection, a shared existence within this infinite tapestry of space-time. Consider the concept of time dilation, the stretching and warping of time itself under the influence of gravity. Near a black hole, a single second can stretch into an eternity, a moment suspended in the cosmic ballet of gravity and space-time. Imagine the experience of witnessing such an event, a cosmic spectacle unfolding at a pace unimaginable to our earthly experience. The wonder doesn't lie merely in the scientific explanation, but in the emotional response it evokes. It is a feeling of being utterly dwarfed by the universe's grandeur, yet simultaneously connected to its deepest mysteries. It is a feeling of reverence, of humility, and of profound curiosity. It is the feeling of standing at the edge of infinity, gazing into an abyss both terrifying and breathtakingly beautiful. This awe inspires a sense of wonder, a desire to understand the universe's intricate workings, its enigmatic secrets. The concept of the longest second is not just a scientific abstraction, but a gateway to a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos, a portal to a realm of profound mystery and cosmic beauty. This feeling of awe is not a passive experience. It is an active engagement with the universe, a conscious act of surrendering to its boundless majesty. It is a journey of self-discovery, a quest to reconcile our limited human understanding with the infinite expanse of reality. It is a path towards a deeper appreciation for the intricate dance of existence, the beautiful chaos of creation. Let this awe inspire you to explore, to question, to seek answers to the universe's deepest mysteries. Let the wonder fuel your curiosity, your thirst for knowledge, your desire to unravel the secrets of time, space, and the very nature of reality itself. Embrace the mystery, for within it lies the key to unlocking the universe's most profound secrets and the deepest truths about ourselves. The universe whispers its secrets to those who listen with hearts full of awe and wonder. We exist within a universe where time itself is not a constant, but a fluid, ever-shifting dimension. The second ticking on your wristwatch is not the same second experienced by a photon hurtling through space or an astronaut orbiting a distant nebula. This revelation shatters the illusion of a universal, objective clock, replacing it with a multitude of subjective timelines, each unique, each interwoven into the grand tapestry of space-time. Our perception of time, therefore, is but a single thread within this vast, intricate design. Our experience, our now, is merely one perspective among countless others, a fleeting moment within the infinite expanse of the cosmos. The longest second, a concept born from the extreme conditions near black holes, underscores this profound truth. Time is not absolute, but relative to the observer's position and velocity within space-time. Consider a civilization orbiting a supermassive black hole. Their perception of time would be drastically different from ours. A single event, a moment in their lives, could stretch into millennia from our vantage point. Their lives, their history, would unfold at a pace utterly alien to our own. Their understanding of the universe, shaped by their unique temporal experience, would be vastly different from ours. This subjective nature of time challenges our anthropocentric worldview, forcing us to confront the limitations of our own perception. It reminds us that our understanding of the universe is inherently incomplete, shaped by our limited perspective and the constraints of our own temporal experience. The universe unfolds in a symphony of countless timelines, each contributing to the grand cosmic orchestration. Our place within this universe, then, is not one of dominance or central importance, but rather of participation. We are but one note in the cosmic symphony, a single thread in the infinite tapestry of space-time. Our perception of time, unique and limited as it is, allows us to experience the universe in a way that is profoundly personal and deeply meaningful. Embrace this subjectivity, this inherent relativity. It is not a limitation, but an opportunity, a chance to appreciate the vastness and diversity of the universe, the infinite possibilities contained within its boundless expanse. Our understanding of time, as relative and subjective as it is, connects us to the cosmos, reminding us of our profound interconnectedness with the grand tapestry of existence. The flow of time, a river, some say, carrying us inexorably towards an unknown destination. But is it truly a river with a defined current, a singular direction? Or is it more akin to a vast, cosmic ocean, its currents swirling and shifting, its depths unfathomable? The mystery of time's flow is a profound enigma, a question that has captivated humankind since the dawn of consciousness. We perceive time as linear, a progression from past to present to future. Yet, the universe itself seems to defy this linear perception. Galaxies spiral, stars are born and die, black holes consume and distort, all within a framework that transcends our limited understanding of temporal sequence. The seemingly relentless march of time, the inexorable progression of moments, is subtly challenged by the very fabric of space-time itself. Consider the longest second, that stretched moment near a black hole. It defies our linear perception, blurring the boundaries between past, present, and future. For an observer far removed from this gravitational extreme, that second might stretch into eons, a timescale that dwarfs human comprehension. Yet, for an observer closer to the black hole, the experience of that second might be entirely different, compressed or perhaps even imperceptible. This inherent ambiguity, this cosmic uncertainty surrounding time's flow, is not a flaw in our understanding, but a testament to the universe's boundless mystery. It challenges our assumptions, pushing the limits of our comprehension, urging us to embrace the unknown. The flow of time, in its enigmatic nature, reveals a universe far more intricate, far more profound, than our limited perspectives can fully grasp. The universe unfolds not in a simple linear progression, but in a complex, interwoven dance of space-time. Each moment, each second, is a unique intersection of countless events, a confluence of forces and energies that shape the cosmic tapestry. The longest second, therefore, is not merely a scientific concept, but a poetic metaphor for the universe's intricate and ever-evolving nature. It reminds us that time is not merely a container for events, but an integral part of the universe's very being. The mystery of time's flow, then, is not something to be solved, but to be embraced. It is a journey of exploration, a continuous quest for deeper understanding, an invitation to contemplate the profound interconnectedness of all things within the vast cosmic ocean of space-time. The universe's unfolding, in all its complexity and mystery, is a testament to the beauty and wonder of existence itself. Imagine a universe where time isn't a single, unwavering river, flowing at a constant pace for all. Instead, picture a vast ocean, its currents swirling and eddying, creating pockets of stillness and turbulence, each with its own unique temporal rhythm. This is the multifaceted reality of time revealed by Einstein's relativity, a concept that challenges our most fundamental assumptions about the nature of existence. We, in our human experience, perceive time as linear, a straightforward progression from past to present to future. But the universe, in its boundless grandeur, does not adhere to such simplistic constraints. The speed of a moving object, the intensity of a gravitational field, these factors warp and distort the very fabric of spacetime, creating a multitude of subjective timelines, each interwoven with the others in a complex and mesmerizing dance. Consider a hypothetical traveler journeying at near light speed. For them, time slows down relative to a stationary observer. A year for the traveler might be a decade for someone on Earth. Their experience of time is fundamentally different, their personal timeline stretched and elongated compared to others. This is not merely a theoretical construct. It's a demonstrable reality, confirmed by experiments and observations. And what of the gravitational extremes near a black hole? Here, time warps and bends to an almost unimaginable degree. A single second for an observer near the event horizon could be an eternity for someone light years away. The concept of a universal now becomes increasingly blurred, replaced by a kaleidoscope of subjective temporal experiences. This multifaceted nature of time is not merely a scientific curiosity. It's a profound philosophical revelation. It dismantles the anthropocentric view of time as a universal constant, revealing a universe far more complex and dynamic than we could ever have imagined. Each observer experiences time uniquely, their personal timeline shaped by their position within spacetime, their velocity, and the gravitational forces that surround them. The universe, therefore, is not just a collection of objects and events unfolding within a singular, linear timeline. It's a symphony of subjective timelines, a harmonious yet chaotic interplay of temporal perspectives. It's a universe where the longest second isn't a singular event, but a potentially infinite number of unique experiences, each stretching and compressing, unfolding and intertwining in a breathtaking cosmic ballet. And this, perhaps, is the true beauty of time's multifaceted nature, its boundless capacity for wonder, its infinite possibilities. The universe, in its temporal complexity, whispers of a reality far beyond our limited human comprehension, a reality that humbles and inspires us in equal measure. Let us now embrace the profound implications of this cosmic dance of time. The malleability of time, its susceptibility to the forces of gravity and velocity, is not merely a scientific fact. It's an invitation to expand our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It's a call to relinquish our rigid, linear perception of time and to embrace the wondrous mystery of its multifaceted nature. Imagine yourself, a tiny speck of consciousness adrift in the vast ocean of spacetime. The currents of gravity and velocity tug and pull at your personal timeline, stretching and compressing it in ways you can scarcely comprehend. Yet, within this seemingly chaotic flux, there is a profound order, a breathtaking elegance. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, orchestrates this intricate cosmic ballet, weaving together the countless subjective timelines into a harmonious whole. The longest second, that ephemeral moment stretched to infinity near a black hole, is not a moment of emptiness, but a moment of profound possibility. It's a testament to the universe's boundless capacity for wonder, its infinite potential for surprise. It's a reminder that our human perception of time, so limited and constrained, is but a tiny fragment of a far grander, more magnificent reality. To embrace the cosmic dance of time is to embrace the mystery itself. It is to accept that our understanding of the universe is incomplete, perpetually evolving, constantly being reshaped by new discoveries and revelations. The malleability of time is not a limitation, but an opportunity to expand our minds, to transcend the boundaries of our limited perceptions, and to glimpse the breathtaking beauty of a universe far beyond our everyday comprehension. This journey into the heart of relativity is not merely an intellectual exercise. It's a spiritual awakening. It's a reminder of our insignificance in the face of the cosmos, and yet, paradoxically, of our profound connection to it. We are all participants in this grand cosmic dance, our individual timelines interwoven with those of every other being, every star, every galaxy, in a timeless, interconnected tapestry. Let us, then, surrender to the flow, allowing the currents of time to carry us along, guided by the awe-inspiring wonder of its multifaceted nature. Let the longest second become a symbol of hope, a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our limited perception, a beacon guiding us toward a deeper understanding of the universe and our own intrinsic connection to its infinite mystery. Let the serenity of the cosmos fill our hearts as we embrace the grand, beautiful, and ever-evolving dance of time. Listen closely. Can you hear it? The universe hums with a silent symphony, a cosmic orchestration played out across the vast expanse of space-time. It's a melody woven from the threads of gravity, light, and the very fabric of existence itself. And at the heart of this celestial composition lies the exquisite dance of time dilation, a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. Each star, each galaxy, each black hole vibrates with its own unique tempo, its own personal rhythm within this grand cosmic score. The closer an object is to the heart of a gravitational well, the slower its time flows relative to distant observers. This isn't a discordant note, but a harmonious counterpoint, a subtle variation in the overall theme. Imagine the black holes, those enigmatic singularities, as the deepest, most resonant notes in this universal orchestra. Near their event horizons, time stretches, slows, almost ceases to exist as we perceive it. Yet, this apparent stillness is not an absence of life or energy. It's a profound concentration, a gathering of cosmic power. It's a note held for an eternity, resonating across the vastness of space, influencing the rhythm of the entire symphony. Every particle, every atom, every celestial body contributes to this cosmic composition. Their movements, their interactions, their very existence create ripples in the space-time fabric, influencing the tempo and harmony of the whole. It is a symphony of interconnectedness, where the fate of each individual note is intertwined with the fate of the entire piece. Time dilation, far from being a mere scientific anomaly, is a vital component of this cosmic orchestration. It's the subtle modulation that adds depth and complexity to the music, a reminder that the universe is not a static entity, but a dynamic, ever-evolving creation. The longest second, that seemingly infinite moment near a black hole, is not an isolated event, but an integral part of the universal melody. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of all things, a reminder that even the most distant stars, the most extreme gravitational forces, are inextricably linked to our own existence. We are all part of this cosmic symphony, each of us playing our own unique note, our own individual rhythm, within the grand, majestic composition of the universe. Let us listen, then, and appreciate the depth, complexity, and beauty of this silent, sublime orchestration. Let the universe's silent symphony fill us with awe, wonder, and a profound sense of interconnectedness. Breathe in the vastness. Feel the quietude of the cosmos settling upon you, a gentle blanket of starlight and cosmic dust. Let the immensity of space wash over you, a soothing balm to the restless mind. For within this boundless expanse, amidst the swirling nebulae and distant galaxies, lies a profound sense of serenity, a peace that transcends the limitations of our everyday experience. Imagine yourself adrift in the inky blackness, surrounded by an infinite tapestry of stars. Each tiny spark of light, a sun like our own, harbors its own worlds, its own stories, its own unique rhythm of time. Yet, within this unimaginable diversity, there exists a unifying harmony, a cosmic interconnectedness that binds us all together. Time, as we perceive it, loses its rigid structure in the face of such vastness. The longest second, that seemingly infinite stretch of time near a black hole, becomes a metaphor for the boundless nature of existence itself. It's a reminder that our linear perception of time is but a tiny fragment of a much grander, more complex reality. Let go of the urgency, the constant striving, the relentless pressure of the everyday. Allow yourself to be embraced by the quietude of the cosmos. Feel the weight of your worries lift, dissolving into the infinite expanse of space. In this moment of cosmic serenity, you are connected to something far greater than yourself, something timeless, something eternal. The universe doesn't rush. It unfolds with a graceful, deliberate pace, a rhythm that resonates with the deepest parts of our being. It whispers of patience, of acceptance, of the beauty of impermanence. The stars burn steadily, the galaxies rotate majestically, and time flows, not in a straight line, but in a harmonious dance of relativity. Find solace in this cosmic perspective. Let the vastness of space remind you of the insignificance of your daily troubles, the beauty of your own fleeting existence within this grand cosmic drama. Embrace the serenity of the universe and allow it to infuse you with a sense of profound peace, a tranquil acceptance of the infinite and the unknown. Let the quietude of space settle within you, a quiet reminder of your place in this magnificent, mysterious, and utterly awe-inspiring universe. Allow the cosmic serenity to fill you, to calm you, to heal you. Let it be your sanctuary, your refuge, your source of enduring peace. Consider the lifespan of a human being, a fleeting moment in the grand cosmic tapestry. We measure our lives in years, decades, perhaps a century at most. Yet, the universe unfolds on timescales so vast, so incomprehensible, that our own existence seems but a fleeting breath in the cosmic wind. Stars ignite and burn for billions of years, their fiery hearts churning through eons of time before collapsing into stellar remnants, their light fading across unimaginable distances. Galaxies coalesce and collide, their majestic dance spanning millions, even billions of years, shaping the very fabric of the cosmos. Imagine the universe as an ancient, sprawling ocean, its depths concealing secrets beyond our comprehension. Our lives are like tiny ripples on the surface, momentarily disturbing the stillness before gently fading back into the vast expanse. From this perspective, our individual struggles, our daily worries, pale in comparison to the grandeur of cosmic time. The universe has witnessed the birth and death of countless stars, the formation and destruction of galaxies, the slow, deliberate unfolding of cosmic evolution. It has seen epochs come and go, each one a chapter in the universe's grand narrative, a testament to its enduring power and boundless potential. Within this vast expanse of time, our human experience, though precious and unique, occupies a relatively small space. Yet, it is within this limited time frame that we experience the full spectrum of human emotion, the depth of human connection, the wonder of human creativity. The awareness of this cosmic timescale, this grand unfolding of time, doesn't diminish the importance of our lives. Rather, it places them within a larger context, a richer narrative. It allows us to appreciate the preciousness of each moment, the beauty of impermanence, and the interconnectedness of all things. It fosters a sense of humility and wonder, reminding us of the incredible journey we are a part of. Let the vastness of cosmic time inspire you, not to despair, but to embrace the present moment with renewed vigor and appreciation. Let it fill you with a sense of awe and wonder, a deep understanding of your place within the grand cosmic scheme. For within this vast ocean of time, your life, your experiences, your very existence are a precious and irreplaceable part of the universe's magnificent story. Gaze into the night sky, a canvas strewn with diamonds of unimaginable distance. Each pinprick of light represents a sun, a world, a story unfolding across eons. And in this vast, glittering expanse, our human existence appears small, a fleeting breath in the cosmic wind, a ripple on the surface of an ancient ocean. Consider the lifespan of a star, a fiery giant burning for billions of years, its light reaching across the gulf of space to touch our eyes. Compare that to our own ephemeral existence, measured in mere decades. The brevity of our time here, in the grand scheme of the cosmos, can feel humbling, even overwhelming. Yet, this very brevity underscores the preciousness of each moment. Every sunrise, every shared laugh, every quiet contemplation. These are precious jewels, fleeting moments of beauty and connection within the vast expanse of time. We are but temporary guests in this universe, and our time here is a gift to be savored, not squandered. The cosmic perspective, while humbling, also offers a profound sense of peace. It allows us to see beyond the anxieties and distractions of daily life, to appreciate the immensity and wonder of the universe that surrounds us. Our challenges, our triumphs, our fleeting moments of joy and sorrow, they all exist within this larger context, this grand, unfolding narrative of the cosmos. Each breath we take, each heartbeat that resonates within our chests, is a testament to the miracle of existence. We are part of this universe, intricately woven into its fabric, a testament to the boundless creativity and energy that birthed it all. Let the knowledge of our fleeting moment in cosmic time not fill you with despair, but with a profound sense of gratitude and appreciation for the gift of life. Let it inspire you to live each day with intention, to cherish every connection, to embrace the beauty and wonder that surrounds you. For within this vast expanse of time, your life, your experiences, your very being, are a precious and irreplaceable part of the universe's magnificent story. Let each moment resonate with the understanding that you are a part of something far greater than yourself, something infinitely vast and eternally beautiful. Embrace the fleeting nature of your time here, and let it propel you to live fully and completely, in harmony with the cosmic dance. Imagine time not as a relentless march, a rigid structure dictating our lives, but as a gentle embrace, a continuous flow that cradles us within its vastness. Feel the cosmic current, a subtle yet powerful force that connects every atom, every star, every moment in the universe. We are not merely passive observers in this flow. We are active participants, woven into the very fabric of time's embrace. Every breath we take, every thought we have, every action we perform, ripples through this continuous current, influencing and being influenced by the universe around us. Consider the light from distant stars, journeying for millennia to reach our eyes. That light, carrying ancient stories across the gulf of space, is a testament to the unifying power of time's gentle embrace. It connects us to distant worlds, to events that occurred long before our existence, and to futures yet to be written. This embrace is not merely a linear progression. It is a multidimensional tapestry, where past, present, and future intertwine and influence one another. The concept of time dilation, a consequence of Einstein's relativity, reveals this intricacy, showing how gravity and velocity can warp the very fabric of time itself. Near a black hole, for instance, time slows down, stretching a single second into an eternity for a distant observer. This seemingly paradoxical phenomenon highlights the fluid, malleable nature of time, its capacity to bend and stretch, to connect seemingly disparate points in space and time. Time's gentle embrace is not a force to be feared, but a comfort to be cherished. It is a constant, unwavering presence that connects us to the universe's vastness, to the intricate dance of existence. Let this understanding soothe your anxieties, calm your racing thoughts, and allow you to settle into the present moment, aware of your place within this cosmic flow. Feel the rhythm of the universe pulsing within you, its gentle breath in your lungs, its rhythmic beat in your heart. Recognize that you are not separate from this flow, but intimately connected to it, a part of the grand, continuous embrace of time. Let this awareness bring you peace, a sense of belonging, and a deep appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things. Embrace the flow, surrender to the current, and let time's gentle embrace guide you on your journey through the cosmos. Let the gentle, continuous flow of time become a source of solace and strength, a reminder that you are perpetually connected to the vast, beautiful, and ever-unfolding universe. Listen closely. Can you hear it? The subtle hum, the gentle symphony of the cosmos? It's a harmony woven from the interplay of gravity, light, and time itself. A cosmic ballet played out on a scale beyond human comprehension. Time dilation, far from being a mere scientific anomaly, reveals this profound harmony, a complex interplay of forces shaping the universe's grand design. Imagine the rhythmic pulse of a distant quasar, its light stretching and warping as it traverses the vast expanse of space-time. Picture the celestial dance of binary stars, their gravitational embrace influencing the flow of time around them. Envision the majestic swirl of a galaxy, its gravitational pull creating a unique temporal signature, a distinct rhythm within the cosmic orchestra. These aren't isolated events. They are interconnected threads within a larger cosmic tapestry. Each celestial body, each particle of matter, contributes to the overall harmony, its individual rhythm adding to the magnificent whole. Time dilation is the conductor's baton, orchestrating this celestial symphony, ensuring that each note, each cosmic event, plays its part in the grand composition. The longest second, that seemingly paradoxical stretch of time near a black hole, is but one note in this vast symphony. It highlights the intricate relationship between gravity and time, demonstrating how the universe's most powerful forces can bend and shape the very fabric of our experience. It's a reminder that our perception of time is but a single perspective within a much grander, more complex reality. Consider the rhythmic expansion of the universe itself, a heartbeat that resonates throughout all of existence. This cosmic rhythm, governed by the laws of physics, dictates the pace of stellar evolution, the formation of galaxies, and the unfolding of cosmic events across unimaginable timescales. Every celestial body, every particle, participates in this universal rhythm, contributing to the harmonious dance of the cosmos. Let this understanding bring you a sense of peace and wonder. We are not mere spectators in this cosmic drama. We are active participants, our lives interwoven into the grand tapestry of time and space. Embrace the harmony, feel the rhythm, and let the cosmic symphony resonate within your very being. Let it inspire you to live in harmony with the universe, to appreciate the interconnectedness of all things, and to find your own unique rhythm within the grand, celestial song. The universe's harmony is a constant, a gentle reminder of the profound interconnectedness of all existence. Let it be a source of comfort, inspiration, and awe. Let us now venture beyond the familiar shores of our linear perception of time. Our minds, accustomed to the steady ticking of clocks and the predictable rhythm of days and nights, often struggle to grasp the boundless expanse of cosmic time. But what if we dared to transcend these limitations? What if we allowed ourselves to glimpse the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our limited understanding? Imagine a universe where time flows not as a single, unwavering stream, but as a multitude of interwoven currents, each flowing at its own unique pace, shaped by gravity's gentle hand and the relentless dance of celestial bodies. This is the universe revealed by time dilation, a realm where the longest second is not an anomaly, but a testament to the boundless nature of time itself. Our human experience, bound as it is to our earthly perspective, offers only a sliver of this vast temporal panorama. We perceive time as linear, a straight line stretching from past to future, but the universe whispers a different story. It speaks of a multiverse of temporal realities, each existing simultaneously, each contributing to the rich tapestry of cosmic existence. To truly embrace the vastness of the cosmos, we must shed the constraints of our limited perceptions. We must allow ourselves to feel the immensity of time stretching out before us, an ocean of possibilities without beginning or end. We must open our minds to the existence of realities beyond our immediate grasp, realities where time flows differently, where the past, present, and future intertwine in ways we cannot yet comprehend. This journey of transcendence is not merely an intellectual exercise. It's a path to profound understanding and inner peace. By accepting the mystery of cosmic time, we begin to appreciate the preciousness of each moment, each fleeting instant within the grand scheme of existence. We realize that our lives, though brief in the cosmic timeline, are interwoven with the fabric of the universe, participating in its grand symphony of time and space. Let this realization fill you with a sense of wonder and awe. Let it inspire you to live fully, to embrace each moment with gratitude, knowing that you are a part of something infinitely larger, infinitely more profound than you could have ever imagined. Embrace the mystery, embrace the vastness, and let the universe's boundless expanse enrich your soul. The journey beyond our limited perception is a journey of discovery, a journey into the heart of the cosmos itself. In the face of the universe's immensity, a profound beauty emerges from the embrace of uncertainty. We stand at the edge of the known, gazing into the abyss of the unknown. And in that very uncertainty, we find a source of wonder and inspiration. Time dilation, with its stretching and compressing of moments, reminds us that our perception of time is but a single lens through which we view a far grander reality. The longest second, a concept born from the extreme gravity of a black hole, highlights the limitations of our understanding, yet simultaneously unveils a universe richer and more complex than we could have ever imagined. Let us not fear the unknown, but rather embrace it as a source of endless possibility. The universe is not a neatly packaged collection of facts and figures. It is a dynamic, ever-evolving tapestry woven from threads of mystery and wonder. The uncertainty surrounding time's relativistic nature is not a flaw in our understanding, but rather a testament to the universe's boundless creativity. The beauty of cosmic uncertainty lies in its ability to awaken our sense of awe and inspire a deeper appreciation for the present moment. When we accept that we cannot fully comprehend the workings of the cosmos, we open ourselves to a richer experience of existence. We become less attached to the illusion of control and more receptive to the unpredictable dance of life. This acceptance allows us to move beyond the confines of our limited perception and to experience the world with a renewed sense of wonder and curiosity. Each moment, each fleeting second, becomes a precious gift, a unique experience that cannot be replicated. The knowledge that time itself is relative, that its flow is not uniform across the universe, underscores the preciousness of each and every instant. Embrace the uncertainty, for it is within the embrace of the unknown that we discover the true beauty of the universe. Let the vastness of space and time fill you with a sense of wonder and inspiration, reminding you of the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The journey of discovery is not about reaching a final destination, but about savoring the beauty of the journey itself, with all its twists, turns, and uncertainties. Let the mystery of the cosmos guide you, and let the beauty of uncertainty inspire you to live fully and embrace the unknown. Imagine, if you will, a universe teeming with untold stories, each unfolding at its own unique pace. A cosmic tapestry woven from threads of time that stretch and bend, intertwine and diverge. Each star, each planet, each swirling nebula, holds within it a multitude of experiences, each shaped by the relentless dance of gravity and the ephemeral flow of time. Consider a lone astronaut orbiting a distant neutron star, experiencing time at a subtly different rate than those of us here on Earth. Their life, their moments of joy and sorrow, unfold in a rhythm slightly out of sync with our own. Their perception of a second is not quite the same as ours, a difference almost imperceptible yet profoundly significant. Their story, their unique narrative, is interwoven with the fabric of space-time itself, a testament to the universe's boundless diversity. Now picture countless civilizations scattered across the vast expanse of the cosmos, each with their own rich histories, their own triumphs and tragedies. Some dwell near gargantuan black holes, where time slows to a crawl, their lives stretching out in a languid, almost ethereal existence. For them, a single second might encompass what feels like an eternity to an observer far removed from the black hole's gravitational pull. Their stories, etched in the slow, deliberate passage of time, unfold at a pace unimaginable to us. Their experiences are unique, their perceptions of reality shaped by the extreme conditions of their cosmic abode. And what of those who traverse the cosmos at near light speed? For them, time itself bends and warps, compressing years into moments, moments into lifetimes. They might witness the birth and death of stars, the rise and fall of civilizations, all within the span of a single lifetime, their temporal experience compressed, their narrative a whirlwind of cosmic events. Each of these untold stories, each unique temporal experience, enriches the grand narrative of the universe. It is a universe not of singular time, but of a myriad of interwoven timelines, a symphony of temporal rhythms, a cosmic ballet of perspectives. It's a universe where every second is unique, every experience precious, every story waiting to be discovered or imagined. We are but one thread in this boundless tapestry, our own story intertwined with the countless others, each contributing to the rich, multifaceted, and eternally evolving narrative of the cosmos. Let us embrace the wonder and mystery of this reality, for within it lies the true essence of existence. We often perceive ourselves as separate entities, isolated islands in the vast ocean of the cosmos. But the reality, revealed through the lens of time dilation, is far more profound, far more interconnected. Time, in its relativistic dance, acts as a unifying force, subtly linking every particle, every star, every galaxy in an intricate cosmic web. Consider the light from a distant quasar, journeying across billions of light years to reach our eyes. That light, carrying the echoes of a distant past, carries with it the imprint of time's distortion, subtly altered by the gravitational fields it has traversed. Each bend in its path, each gravitational lensing event, is a testament to the interconnectedness of space-time itself. The light's journey is not merely a physical one. It is a temporal voyage, a testament to the universe's unified nature. The seemingly disparate events across the cosmos, the birth of a star in a distant galaxy, the collision of two black holes, the unfolding of life on a small blue planet, are not isolated incidents. They are all interwoven, subtly influencing each other through the gravitational currents that ripple through the fabric of space-time. Time dilation serves as a bridge, connecting these events in a way we are only beginning to understand. Every particle in the universe, from the smallest quark to the largest supercluster, participates in this cosmic dance. Their interactions, their movements, their very existence are intrinsically linked, bound together by the fundamental forces of nature and the warping of space-time. This interconnectedness is not merely a philosophical concept. It is a physical reality, revealed through the precise measurements of time dilation. The longest second, experienced near a black hole, is not an isolated phenomenon, but a manifestation of this deeper unity. It highlights the fact that time itself is not a constant, but a variable, shaped by the gravitational interactions of all matter and energy in the universe. We are all participants in this cosmic dance, our individual experiences of time woven into the larger tapestry of the universe. As we contemplate the implications of time dilation, we begin to appreciate the profound interconnectedness of all things. We realize that we are not isolated observers, but integral parts of a vast, dynamic system, bound together by the relentless flow of time and the immutable laws of physics. This understanding fosters a deeper sense of awe and wonder, a humbling recognition of our place within the grand cosmic scheme. The universe is not merely a collection of disparate objects. It is a unified whole, a single, interconnected organism, pulsating with the rhythm of time itself. Let the vastness of the cosmos wash over you. Imagine the ceaseless flow of time, not as a rigid linear progression, but as a river, ever-flowing, ever-changing, carrying us along its currents. Sometimes the river rushes swiftly, other times it meanders gently, its pace dictated by the gravitational pull of the universe. Relativity teaches us that our perception of time is but a single viewpoint, a single ripple in this cosmic river. There are countless other perspectives, countless other currents, each experiencing time in its own unique way. Instead of resisting this flow, let us surrender to it. Let us allow ourselves to be carried along, embracing the uncertainty, the mystery, the ever-shifting landscape of existence. Finding peace in the cosmic flow means accepting the impermanence of all things. It means understanding that everything is in constant flux, that every moment is fleeting, precious, and irreplaceable. This understanding, far from being depressing, is deeply liberating. It frees us from the shackles of our linear perception of time, allowing us to appreciate the beauty and wonder of each moment as it unfolds. Embrace the ebb and flow of your own life, just as you embrace the ebb and flow of the cosmos. Let go of the need to control, to predict, to understand everything. Instead, allow yourself to be swept along by the current, trusting in the inherent wisdom of the universe. In this surrender, you will find a profound sense of peace, a deep connection to something far greater than yourself. The longest second, that seemingly impossible stretch of time near a black hole, is not a source of fear or anxiety, but a symbol of the universe's boundless possibilities. It reminds us that time is not absolute, that it is a malleable substance, shaped by gravity, speed, and the intricate dance of cosmic forces. This fluidity is not something to fear, but something to marvel at, to embrace. Let the cosmic rhythm soothe your soul. Feel the gentle pulse of the universe within you, a reminder of your connection to something vast, ancient, and eternally beautiful. Find solace in the knowledge that you are a part of this grand design, that you are carried along by the currents of time towards an unknown but ultimately beautiful destination. Surrender to the flow and find peace in the cosmic dance. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let the silence of the cosmos envelop you. Feel the weightlessness, the boundless expanse of space stretching out in every direction. A canvas painted with the light of distant stars and the swirling dust of nebulae. This is the quiet majesty of the universe, a grandeur that speaks volumes even in its stillness. In this vastness, our understanding of time transforms. The ticking clock, the relentless march of seconds, minutes, hours. These are but human constructs, pale imitations of the reality unfolding across the cosmos. The concept of a second, seemingly so concrete, dissolves into a relative experience, stretched and compressed by gravity's subtle hand. Near a black hole, time itself bends, creating that extraordinary phenomenon, the longest second, a testament to the universe's power to reshape our perceptions. Consider the implications. Time, a fundamental element of our existence, is not fixed, not absolute. It's a fluid, dynamic entity, warped and molded by the universe's gravity, its dance of celestial bodies, its very fabric of space-time. This realization, far from diminishing the importance of time, elevates it. Each moment, no matter how fleeting, becomes infinitely precious, a unique intersection of countless cosmic events, a singular point in the vast tapestry of time. The universe's quiet majesty lies not just in its scale, but in its inherent mystery. It's a mystery that invites contemplation, that encourages us to question our assumptions, to expand our understanding of what it means to exist. The universe whispers its secrets to those who listen closely, revealing its profound interconnectedness, the delicate balance of forces that govern its existence, and our own place within this cosmic ballet. Let this realization inspire a sense of awe and humility. We are but tiny specks in the grand scheme of things, yet we are inextricably linked to this vast, wondrous universe. We are part of its story, and our lives, though short in cosmic terms, are imbued with the same profound beauty, the same exquisite intricacy, as the universe itself. The quiet majesty of the universe invites us to embrace the unknown, to surrender to the mystery, to appreciate the preciousness of each moment. In the stillness of the cosmos, we find a profound connection to something greater than ourselves, a connection that transcends time itself, leaving us with a sense of peace and wonder that resonates far beyond the confines of our earthly existence. This is the gift of the cosmos, a gift we can embrace and cherish, moment by moment. The universe unfolds before us, a boundless tapestry woven with starlight and cosmic dust, a symphony of celestial movements echoing across the vast expanse of space-time. Its mysteries, profound and captivating, beckon us to explore its depths, to unravel the secrets held within its swirling nebulae and distant galaxies. We stand at the edge of understanding, gazing into an abyss of wonder, forever humbled by the immensity of what we do not yet know. The concept of the longest second, a consequence of time dilation near a black hole, is just one shimmering thread in this cosmic tapestry. It reveals a universe far more intricate and nuanced than our limited perceptions might suggest. A universe where the familiar laws of physics bend and warp under the influence of gravity's immense power. This revelation, however, is not an ending, but a beginning, the opening of a doorway to a deeper comprehension of reality. Our journey of understanding is ongoing, a relentless pursuit of knowledge guided by curiosity and fueled by the awe-inspiring beauty of the cosmos. Every question answered leads to a multitude of new questions, each more profound than the last. The universe, it seems, is designed to keep us eternally curious, forever pushing the boundaries of our intellect and inspiring us to reach for a more complete understanding of the reality in which we exist. The mysteries surrounding black holes, the nature of dark matter and dark energy, the very origins of the universe itself. These remain captivating enigmas, challenges that beckon us to explore the furthest reaches of our minds and the most advanced technologies at our disposal. Yet, it is in the very act of searching, in the embracing of the unknown, that we find true wonder. The universe's silence speaks volumes, a quiet hum of cosmic energy that resonates through the fabric of space-time. This silence is not empty. It's filled with an infinite potential for discovery, a wealth of knowledge waiting to be unearthed. It is a reminder of our own limitations, a gentle nudge to embrace the mystery, to accept that some answers may always remain just beyond our grasp. And within this acceptance, within the embrace of the unknown, lies a profound sense of peace and wonder. The universe's mysteries are not obstacles, but invitations. Invitations to explore, to question, to learn, and to marvel at the breathtaking beauty and infinite complexity of the cosmos. The journey is as important, perhaps even more so, than the destination. For it is in the journey itself, in the continuous exploration of the universe's wonders and mysteries, that we truly find ourselves. Consider the paradox. Time, a relentless river flowing ever onward, is also timeless, existing outside the confines of its own relentless march. We perceive time as a linear progression, a sequence of moments unfolding one after another, each leading inexorably to the next. Yet, the universe whispers a different story, a story of interwoven timelines, a cosmic dance where the past, present, and future coexist in a harmonious, if perplexing, unity. The concept of time dilation reveals this inherent paradox. A second, near a black hole, stretches and expands, becoming a longest second for distant observers. Yet, for the observer experiencing this stretched time, the second unfolds as a normal second. This reveals a universe where time's flow is not absolute, but relative to the observer's position within space-time. This relativity, however, does not diminish time's timeless quality. Instead, it expands our understanding of its nature. The universe's vastness, its immeasurable expanse, suggests a timelessness that transcends our limited human perception. The stars, born and dying across eons, are but fleeting moments within a cosmic drama that has played out, and will continue to play out, for eons beyond our comprehension. Within this vast cosmic timescale, our individual lives, our fleeting moments, become precious jewels. Each second, though relative in its duration, possesses an intrinsic value, a unique significance within the grand tapestry of existence. The longest second, a consequence of gravity's immense power, serves as a potent reminder of this profound truth. Time's timeless nature is not a contradiction of its relative nature. Rather, it is a complementary aspect of its multifaceted reality. It is a reflection of the universe's inherent unity, its interconnectedness across space and time. The past, present, and future are not separate entities, but aspects of a single, continuous flow. They are interwoven, intertwined, and eternally connected. Let us contemplate the implications of this cosmic perspective. The impermanence of time, its fluidity and ever-changing nature, should not evoke feelings of fear or anxiety, but rather a profound appreciation for the present moment. Each second is a precious gift, a unique opportunity to experience the wonder of existence, to connect with the universe, and to appreciate the profound interconnectedness of all things. The universe's timeless nature transcends our human understanding of linear progression. Time's relentless flow, while seemingly absolute from our limited perspective, exists within a larger context of eternity. It is within this timeless perspective that we can find a deeper connection with the universe, a sense of peace and belonging that surpasses the limitations of our temporal existence. Embrace this timeless perspective and allow it to infuse your understanding of the universe and your place within it. Let the vastness of space and the relativity of time inspire you to live each moment with intention, gratitude, and a profound sense of wonder. For in the heart of time's relentless flow lies a timeless serenity, waiting to be discovered. Imagine a second, stretched and elongated, drawn out to an unimaginable length. This is the longest second, a consequence of extreme gravity near a black hole, a testament to the malleability of time itself. It's not merely a scientific concept. It's a poetic metaphor, a cosmic reflection on the nature of time and our perception of it. From our vantage point, far removed from such gravitational extremes, this elongated second represents a profound shift in perspective. It forces us to confront the inherent relativity of time, to acknowledge that the seemingly immutable flow we experience is, in reality, a subjective perception shaped by our position within the universe's vast space-time fabric. The longest second invites us to contemplate the nature of experience itself. What does it mean to experience time slowing down? Does it alter consciousness, stretch awareness, or simply alter the perception of duration? The answers remain elusive, yet the very question opens doors to profound philosophical and existential inquiries. Consider the implications for our understanding of the universe. The existence of a longest second challenges our intuitive grasp of linearity, prompting us to embrace a more nuanced, multidimensional view of time. The universe, it seems, does not unfold in a neat, sequential manner, but rather in a complex tapestry of interconnected events, where the past, present, and future intertwine. This concept extends beyond the purely scientific realm. The longest second is a reminder of the preciousness of each moment. It underscores the fleeting nature of our existence, the ephemeral beauty of each second as it unfolds. It's a call to cherish the present, to engage fully with the richness and depth of each experience, however brief. The longest second, then, is not simply a scientific anomaly, but a cosmic invitation to reflect on our place within the universe, to contemplate the vastness of space and the mystery of time. It is a reminder of our interconnectedness, a testament to the universe's profound and awe-inspiring complexity. It encourages us to abandon rigid notions of linearity and embrace the fluidity, the interconnectedness, the inherent mystery of time itself. Let us ponder this longest second, not as a scientific curiosity, but as a profound metaphor. It invites us to question our assumptions about the nature of reality, to embrace the unknown, and to find wonder and awe in the seemingly impossible. The universe is not a static entity, but a dynamic, ever-shifting landscape, where time itself bends and stretches, revealing its true nature. A relative, yet timeless, river flowing through the heart of eternity. And it is within this timeless flow that we find our place, our purpose, and our connection to something far greater than ourselves. As we conclude this journey into the heart of time and space, let us pause, breathe deeply, and allow ourselves to be enveloped by a profound sense of cosmic serenity. The universe, in its breathtaking immensity, whispers secrets of a reality far exceeding our limited comprehension. Yet, within this vast expanse, we find our place, a tiny speck of consciousness amidst swirling galaxies and unimaginable forces. The concept of the longest second, born from the crucible of Einstein's theories, serves not as a measure of time, but as a gateway to contemplation. It reveals the subjective nature of our experience, the fluid and ever-changing nature of reality. It reminds us that our perception of time, linear and predictable as it may seem, is merely a sliver of a grander, more complex truth. Embrace the mystery. Let the vastness of space and the fluidity of time fill you with a sense of wonder, a humbling recognition of our place in the grand scheme of existence. The universe is not a cold, indifferent void, but a tapestry woven with threads of light, gravity, and time, a breathtaking symphony of energy and matter. Within this cosmic symphony, each of us plays a unique role. Each moment, however fleeting, holds immeasurable value, a precious jewel in the vast ocean of time. The longest second, in its paradoxical stretching of time, reminds us to cherish these moments, to savor the present, to find beauty in the everyday. Feel the gentle embrace of the cosmos. Let its vastness wash over you, a calming balm for the anxieties of daily life. In the face of such immensity, our worries and concerns diminish, fading into insignificance. We are part of something far greater, something breathtakingly beautiful and profoundly mysterious. This cosmic serenity is not a passive acceptance. but an active engagement with the universe. It is a recognition of our interconnectedness, a deep understanding of our place within the grand tapestry of existence. It is a feeling of belonging, a sense of peace that transcends the limitations of our individual lives. Let the echoes of the longest second resonate within you, a constant reminder of the preciousness of time, the wonder of the universe, and the profound serenity that awaits those who dare to gaze upon the cosmos with open hearts and minds. Let this feeling of cosmic serenity guide you, inspire you, and bring you peace in the moments to come. For within the vastness of space and the fluidity of time, there lies a profound and enduring stillness, a quiet beauty that nourishes the soul. Let the wonder wash over you. The universe, in its infinite expanse, holds mysteries far beyond our current understanding. Time, as we perceive it, is but a single thread in a vast, interwoven tapestry of existence. The longest second, a concept born from the bending of space-time, is not merely a scientific curiosity, but a portal to a deeper appreciation of reality. Imagine, if you will, a universe where past, present, and future are not sequentially arranged, but exist simultaneously, interconnected in ways we are only beginning to grasp. The light from distant stars, traveling for eons to reach our eyes, carries with it whispers of a time long past, a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. The curvature of space-time, warped by the immense gravity of black holes, stretches and bends the very fabric of time itself. This is not a disruption, but a revelation, a glimpse into the fluid, dynamic nature of the cosmos. It is a reminder that our perception of time, linear and predictable as it may seem, is merely a subjective experience, a localized interpretation of a far grander reality. Embrace this mystery. Do not seek to unravel every enigma, for the true beauty lies in the exploration itself. The journey into the heart of time and space is not about reaching a final destination, but about savoring the wonder of the path itself. Let the vastness of the universe fill you with a sense of awe, a humbling recognition of our place within this magnificent cosmic dance. The longest second is not an ending, but a beginning, a starting point for further exploration, for deeper contemplation. It is an invitation to delve into the mysteries that surround us, to embrace the unknown with open hearts and minds. Let the questions linger, let the wonder grow, for within the unknown lies the potential for endless discovery and profound understanding. As you contemplate the mysteries of time and space, allow yourself to be filled with a sense of peace. The universe, in its vastness and complexity, offers not only challenges, but also a profound sense of serenity. Find solace in the beauty of the cosmos, in the interconnectedness of all things, and in the endless possibilities that lie before us. Let the echoes of the longest second resonate within you, a constant reminder of the vastness of the universe and the boundless potential for wonder. Continue to explore, continue to question, and continue to marvel at the magnificent mysteries that surround us. For within the heart of the unknown lies the greatest beauty, the deepest wisdom, and the most profound serenity. And in that serenity, we find our true home.